counterculture. I won't be able to say that. It's a trucker, mother trucker. The MOAB mother trucker. Let me get my centering. This is the mother of all trucker jackets. I want to introduce to you our new MOAB Jacket, which is a 98% cotton with 2% stretch in it. One of the key features is our wrinkle-release technology. We want to look crisp all the time. We then sueded the fabric, which feels kind of like unicorn skin. If unicorns existed, it would feel like this. Super soft, perfect for all-day wear, whether that be inside or outside. All the seams are 2 rows of stitching. It's overbuilt to last a lifetime, just like everything at Origin. We're offering it right now in Cannon, in navy blue, in timber. It fits true to size. If you want to put on a bulky hoodie underneath, you're going to need to size up. It's our first jacket we're truly bringing to life with a core textile that has proven to be undeniable, best in class, and built 100% on an American supply chain. And that means, like everything we build here, if you follow the truck back to the source, you're going to end up in a field talking to a farmer who grew the cotton that you're going to put on your back. When you put this thing on, it's going to feel like you've been wearing it for a decade. That's what the sueded feel does. That's what the little bit of stretch does. That's what American cotton does. When I say as a designer, I want to balance form and function, but function comes first. This blend of form and function, it is best in class. And it's coming to you from Origin, and you know what that logo means. The wave of freedom, and there is a wave of freedom with this MOAB jacket. It is the mother trucker. Go get one.